What's happening, good people? NWA here. It is Wednesday, December the 7th, 2016. Yesterday, I uploaded two videos. One showing all the photographs from this mock cannibalistic sort of gala with Marina Abramovich and, of course, Deborah Harry, the lead singer of the band Blondie. And I showed a bunch of photos, and then I put up another video saying, yeah, I watched the actual video itself done by Abramovich and her camera crew or whatever, with like heavy metal type music in the background and showing these corpses, these mock corpses that look extremely realistic being sliced up and people wolfing down their, their cadaver cake, I guess you could say. It's really twisted. There's so much more. I mean, there is so many of these videos that are available. So I as soon as I put up the video, within, I'd say 20 minutes to half an hour, they took down the YouTube video. And I think it's clear that this Pizzagate whole scandal is actually exposing decades worth of Satanism that they don't want to have exposed, and that's why they're trying to use the corporate media to try to deflate the whole Pizzagate and label it as fake news so that ordinary folks don't look at it. All ordinary folks have to do is watch a video like this, and they'll never look at celebrities the same ever. You know, does it mean all these people are Satanist and that they're actually eating people? No, but it's not much of a stretch of the imagination. You have to be kind of sick to take part in ceremonies like this and in dinners like this, and they're all rubbing, like, they're all these celebrities, to them Marina Abramovich is like somebody they really admire, which is really creepy. Of course, if you've seen any of the Spirit Cooking or any of the other videos featuring Marina Abramovich. So anyways, there is a backup here. I would ask you, go and watch the video and then come back and leave a comment here. I would say don't badger the uploader of this video, because then they'll probably just take it down like they did on YouTube. But I've already got a copy of this, so if it does disappear from the internet, I do have a backup copy. So I made sure that's the first thing I did is download this video now. And there's many more videos that are like this, in which they seem to repeat this ceremony many times, and it's pretty grotesque when you look at it. So anyways, I'll post a link for it below, and then you can come back here and leave your comments on it, and anything else that you observed, or any other of these types of videos that you've seen, and what your feelings are about these celebrities. Are you ever going to look at them the same way? I'm sure most people already know that most of these celebrities have made a deal. I mean, the ones that are successful, it's kind of how it works, and it's the same with the politicians. So we're getting to the root of how this power system is maintained, and it involves things like cannibalism and pedophilia and sex, child trafficking, and ritual sacrifice, and wow, eating, consuming flesh of human beings, cannibalistic sort of ceremonies. They're really disturbing, and it kind of illustrates how, or it re-emphasizes why they have cannibalistic sort of shows and movies, and we see so many movies featuring zombies, because these people are into this stuff. They're really sick. So it's high time that they're exposed. And I think Pizzagate is being very, very successful in waking up a lot of people. And all you have to do is take a look at some of the videos and some of the Instagrams and some of the people that are connected to this, and you'll see. So anyways, I'll post a link for it below. Please come back, leave your comments here on what you think about this, and whatever else you'd like to add, more than welcome. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.